Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the inlet. And as has been a tradition for the last few episodes, it is another rough day down here at Haulover. Here we're going to see the CVs coming in, making easy work of the inlet. Hopefully the rest of our captains will have this luck as well. But let's see how they fare, and we'll go ahead and get this competition started. Our first contestant to step into the ring and do battle with Haulover is going to go ahead and play one of my favorite games we play down here, and that is Can She Hang On? Here we're going to see this vessel making its way into the inlet, and they've decided to put somebody in the bow of the boat. Kind of a poor decision on a rough day, and she's even pulling out something else that makes things a little worse. Typically when we see people out here trying to film, it doesn't end well. Haulover's a little camera shy, she only likes us filming her. But here we're going to see this crew make their way in, and our girl's holding on. So far she looks pretty good, and somehow, even in these rough conditions, as they roll their way into the inlet, she's going to hang on, and actually they're going to end up taking a win for the boats here in the first round. Here in the second round, we're going to do something a little different. We're actually going to let Wavy Boats call the second round. This was caught during his live stream, and it was just classic audio, so I figured let's let it ride.
So we'll see. No, they're going back. Oh, that's a girl driving, guys. Two girls. Let's go. Oof. Oh, look at the stuffing. No. Waves to the face. Are you okay? Let's see. Are the phones okay? Oh my god, bro.
We only have a few rules here on Boats vs. Haulover, but one of them is if you stuff the bow, you take the loss, and unfortunately the boats take a loss in this round. And that's going to take us into our third round, showing you how to live that cat life. Even on rough days, we've talked about this before, these cats seem to come through here and absolutely destroy Haulover, kind of like this Freeman's doing right now. We are watching everybody else come out of here at almost an idle pace, but not this Freeman. They come through, throttle down, blast their way into the inlet, and even on a rough day, take a win for the boats. And that'll take us to our fourth round contestant, who's going to show you what it's like when you get a little airtime at Haulover. Here we're going to see this vessel making its way out of the inlet. Once again, this same rough day, and my man gets airborne early on. Here you're going to see they slide right up the face of this wave, and this vessel's about 90% out of the water. Surprisingly, it actually looks like a fairly soft landing. I don't see the bimini top or anything go crazy. Here we're coming down again, and boom, this time things start rattling a little bit, and our guy in the back has had to sit down, and it looks like something may have broke free back there as well, because our stern passengers look like they're trying to grab something off the floor now, and our captain has to slow down, and Haulover will take the win in this round. And that'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who'll take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? What better way to spend date night than running your way through Haulover Inlet with your significant other? As we can see this couple's doing right here, I can just imagine how this conversation went. The husband looked at the wife and said, "Hey honey, what would you like to do for date night tonight?" And she said, "You know what? Let's go get our butts kicked running through Haulover." He said, "It sounds like a plan, dear." And that's exactly what they did as this Donzi comes rolling through. If you listen, you can hear the hull slapping against the water violently every few seconds, and this is just a rough ride and really not a fun way to spend a date night, and we're going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover. And that's going to give Haulover the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have our good friend Wavy Boats, who gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.